Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are ready to go. It is 76 degrees. Feels warmer than that outside in the sun. It is sunny outside. It is a beautiful day. Got a couple things to do before we leave for vacation tomorrow, man. Got to mow the lawn. Got to do all these things. But nonetheless, it is a nice day to be doing this and getting ready to go. We've got Frank first in the chat. What's going on, Frank? Paul, John J, Tim, Paul, John J. We got Tim, Frank, Tim, Zachariah, Dark Matter, Tim, Dark Matter. What is up, everybody? Don't forget to click that like button, all that good stuff, because AMC is rolling higher right now. AMC is sitting at 23.63. Shiba Inu coin 12.26. We've got GameStop sitting at 40.48. QQQ sitting at 325.88. Up, and away. My gosh. We've got the NASDAQ up 3%. GameStop up 0.27% in the green. Pure Therapeutics 37% of the green, rolling back higher towards the end of the day here. AMC up 5.5% right now. My goodness. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the green this afternoon. Sundial up about 7% on the day. Mullen Auto 80 cents, sitting up almost 3% right now. CEI sitting 2% higher. The SPY up 2% on the day. BBIG still suspended. We got Highcroft Mining barcoding at $1.01. Netflix sitting up 6% at the moment. My goodness. Redbox continuing to come down. Redbox is only worth about $1.30 right now, guys, so don't jump into it. You're not going to have Redbox tomorrow. You're going to have CCSE, Chicken Soup for the Soul. Clovis sitting up 22% today at $1.56. Boxed down 17%. We've got Revlon down 9.5%. Terra Luna Classic sitting in at 9,700 points per coin. And the QQQ up almost 3% right now. Amazing gains. My goodness. The gains, my goodness. Oh my gosh, they do look really good. We got Dark Matter, Caesar, Corey, DD214. What is up, everybody? Let me go and get that Discord link so that I can get that posted to the top of the chat before anybody else jumps in here and you guys can actually join the Discord, all that good stuff. All right, cancel, post that here, pin that here. We are good to go. Guys, I'm not 100% sure if I'm going live tomorrow, okay? I'm not 100% sure. If I do, I'm just going to say right now, it is most likely going to be a short session or at a different time. So, and if I don't go live before 1 o'clock, I'm not going live at all. But if I don't go live tomorrow, don't be terribly concerned about it. Just want to make sure that I've got everything ready to go before I go down to Florida. But just wanted to let you guys know, in case you were looking for me, if we go live tomorrow, it'll be the 11:50 to 1 o'clock. If not, I might change the time frame a little bit, but it may be just like 11:50 to 12:30, 11:50 to 12:15, just some real short session before I try to get up to the airport and all that good stuff. So, just wanted to warn you guys. The 24 people in here are probably the only people that care that I might not be going live tomorrow. So I figured I'd advise you guys on that one. A great day in the market. Longer term portfolio up 1.65% on the day. Dude, a longer term portfolio up 1.65% on the day is an amazing gain. Frank, that is awesome, dude. Hello, bros. I'm going to hit the like button and I'm out. Have a great one. Muscle and mass. Boom, baby. You have a great one as well, dude. Thank you very much for coming in to smash that like button. Really appreciate that, dude. All of you guys that support the channel, hitting the like button, commenting, sharing. Guys, we are so close. I don't know if you realize, but some of these videos, a lot of these videos, they get 6,000 views, right? If everybody that watched a video simply shared it with one other person, we'd be at 100,000 tonight. We are that close to 100,000 subscribers. If everybody shared the video, we would be at 100,000 subscribers tonight. That would be incredible. I cannot wait to hit that. And honestly, after you hit 100,000, what are you going for, man? 150, 200, $250,000? What do you set your sights on after 100? Got to wait to 500,000, or is it just straight up 1 million is the next milestone? I don't know what the answer is. I don't know if I'll ever get one of those diamond plaques or whatever they are, gold plaque, diamond plaque, I don't know what they are. The silver plaque, though, is definitely going to be mine. That silver play button, we're going to make it happen, guys, for sure. Share the live stream with somebody. Get them subscribed to the channel. All that good stuff. Let's see. Yes, guys, don't forget to click that like button. Yes, if you forget to click the like button, I will hit you with an ad. And it's going to hit you right in the face. I can tell you that. 30 minutes with Clay is better than no 30 minutes. DD214 says, do it. We got to go shortened live stream. Session, not section. Shortened session, we go shortened session. No, one session is better than no sessions. 4 ETFs, 17 stocks, all dividend investments, half monthly, half quarterly. It's my adult money. I love it. Frank, man. Dude, Frank's got a decent strategy going on there with the diversification and the income portfolio as well, man. So very nice. Tim, thank you very much for the super sticker. Tim says, dude, what are we going to do without a little goodbye unicorn? Yeah, Tim, I got you, man. You ready for this? Tim is ready for this. We got the unicorn horn. Oh, yeah, hold on. It's a little tilted. I got you, Tim. I got you. Thank you very much, Tim, for the super sticker, man. Really appreciate that. I know everybody else appreciates that as well. You're the man, dude. But we're gonna go live tomorrow, even for a little bit. My 1 month badge is tomorrow. Dark matter. I would definitely try to make it happen. Then we can't deprive you of your 1 month badge. No, we cannot do that. We got to get that 1 month badge tomorrow. Dude, wouldn't that suck if I just screwed Dark Matter over and I had made him wait like a week to see his 1 month badge? Nah, we don't want that. I got you, Dark Matter. I'm going to try my best, man. I guess I'll be playing with myself a lot when you're, Outdoor Smile. It's better to play with us than it is to play with yourself. That's for sure. So definitely stay productive. We'll have the Discord, all right? We'll have the Discord if we don't go live. Everyone, if for when Claybro goes live at the airport, that is 1,000% free game. Lick and Stick, Hot Dog, Unicorn City, blow him up. John Jay, you guys better calm down on the John Jay right now. If and when. Look at the if, not when I go live at the airport. Because I know you guys are going to make me do all that crap, and I don't want to get kicked off the plane before I even get to Florida. Good afternoon, Keith, man. Hopefully you're having a great day today. Bitcoin looks the same, really. What is happening? I'm done. Where's the 30,000? PS5, man. I don't know where the 30,000 is. We had a good morning with the CPI data. It was a very nice morning for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency alike. This 8:30 to 9 o'clock move, very, very nice for cryptocurrency here. And stocks as well. We had a nice bounce up because of the CPI data. We were sitting at 23,000 and jumped us up to about 24,000. So a decent little run, and it does seem to be like the market is kind of cooling off a little bit and giving back those gains that we had early this morning. So I don't know if investors are necessarily impressed with the CPI data or not, but nonetheless, man, it does seem like they're giving back those gains pretty quickly after that inflation data. And the strange thing is, here, if you go back, oh man, I don't know if we can go back that far. I think this here was the CPI data, the CPI release last time. And it dropped down heavy when you had CPI at 9.1% last month. And then throughout the day, started to give back those or gain back those losses, pair those losses, and was basically sitting around break even. But that trend has just continued for a month. And we've been moving higher for a month now after that CPI release there. And, bounce back down a little bit, but we're still doing pretty well and still moving higher, all that good stuff. And we had a great morning this morning with the CPI release, but we do seem to be giving back gains now. And the last thing I want to see is a reversal, the same as we had. Bad CPI resulted in an amazing move higher. Good CPI, does it result in an amazing move lower? I don't know if bad news is good news and good news is bad news now or what. But nonetheless, man, we have had a pretty volatile day going from 23,000 to 24,000 back to 23,400, 23,600 right now. It has been a very volatile day for cryptocurrency. Stig Beater, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Stig Beater says, Clay, bro, man, let me see that banana. What you got in that banana right there? AMC Trapper, I'm looking at you, man, but I'm thinking of Stig. Oh, you ready for this? A little lick and a little stick. Stig, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Absolutely appreciate it. Oh, yes, AMC Trapper is in here, baby. He knows about it. AMC Trapper wasn't in here until Stig sent that banana. It's like his calling card, man. It's like the bat signal that goes up, and Batman shows up, that banana shows up, and we got Trapper in the house, baby. Oh, yes. Let's see. Clay, what is Shib's utility? Alex Swancaro, man. Alex Swancaro. I think Shiba's best utility at this point is simply the marketing factor. Its community is so big and so dedicated that Shiba Inu coin has an amazing marketing potential with the Shiba Inu army. And you're seeing a lot of retailers and a lot of these businesses out there that support Shiba Inu coin getting support in return. I think that that's utility. Other people would talk against that and say that no, that's not an inherent utility. That's something that is simply a result of a cult-like following and a cult-like coin and so on. And yeah, I would allow them to argue against it, but I do believe that that's one of the best things any coin could have is a solid and devoted community. And I think that Shiba Inu coin has one of the best, solid, and most devoted communities out of any cryptocurrency. So I would say that Shiba Inu coin's best utility. And then beyond that, man, you do have a metaverse being built. You've got a lot of stuff being built around Shiba Inu coin right now. But I'm going to say that's my number one. We closed on AMC. AMC up 5.41% on the day, guys. AMC closing at 23.67. A beautiful turnaround from where it was earlier. I mean, if you look at this, AMC had a terrible morning, dropping down to $20.70, and since then bouncing nicely throughout the rest of the day to $23.73. The high closed at 23.67. So AMC did very well throughout the afternoon there, and like AMC Trapper said, a very nice close on AMC, up 5.41% on the day. GameStop ending in the green as well, 0.5% higher. Shiba Inu coin sitting 2% higher right now. Bitcoin is sitting 2% higher right now. The NASDAQ, my gosh, about a 2.90% gain in the NASDAQ. We've got Biora Therapeutics at $1.01, a 31% gain in Biora Therapeutics today. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all sitting nicely in the red right now. Sundial even had a good day, up 6%. Mullen Auto closed at 81 cents per share, up 2.83% on the day. CEI even closing 2.3% higher. The SPY closed 2% higher. BBIG suspended. Highcraft Mining, barcoding closing at $1.01. Netflix soaring 6% to $244 per share today. Redbox ended up closing at $1.65, sitting at $1.67 after hours. I don't know why it's trading that high. Clovis sitting at $1.56. Boxed closed at $1.61 today. Revlon $7.23. Luna Classic 9,700 points per coin, and the QQQ soaring almost 3% today to $325.93 there. Man, we had a nice turnaround today. We had a nice turnaround because we had a lot of red in some of these bigger stocks here. But CPI data, I would say, definitely helped this morning and throughout the day today, with the gains kind of pulling off of a falling CPI, indicating that inflation could have peaked and may be on its way back down now. Doesn't guarantee that it's happened, but inflation could have peaked. Dark and Tim, I missed you guys too. Pika Power is in the chat. I love it. Pika, you gotta let me know when you get that shirt. I want to know who gets it first, Bronson, Pika, or JB. I want to know who gets her shirt first. Riptide Redemption in here. What's going on, man? Clay, bro, what do you think the squeeze possibilities on CAR? Tim, I have no idea what the short interest is on CAR, so I don't know. I don't know what that's going to look like, man. Squeeze potential on CAR. Avis, budget, car rental. I don't know. Obviously drastic going back in here on this single day gain from $175 to $545 at the end of 2021. I have no idea what this massive daily gain was, but dude, Avis actually doesn't look that bad on a long-term graph. I don't even know, is this a squeeze play? I don't even know if this is a squeeze play, man. This is showing massive double bottom down here at about $140 per share. There's some massive double bottom coming and tapping this line twice. And this probably would have been an excellent entry right here. Doesn't mean that we can't test it again, because look, we ran into some resistance right here, ran into some resistance right here, ran into some resistance right here, and we're once again running into some resistance right here. So it doesn't mean that you may not have another entry point if you are looking at Avis, but dude, I don't know. I mean, the long-term graph actually looks pretty decent. Yeah, even if you're looking at a weekly going back a decade, dude. 30 cents back here in 2008. Wow. But nonetheless, man, it does seem to be a decent runner over the last couple of years here. It didn't perform that well from like 2015 to 2020. It was kind of stagnant, man, just sitting here basically doing nothing. But I don't know if this is a squeeze play or not, but I do like the double bottom right here. And what do they say? George W. about to form here. I mean, if we go back up to here, we got ourselves a nice W pattern, a double bottom, getting ready to break out the triple top on the George W. But yeah, this wasn't even on my radar of stocks to look at. I don't really mind the long-term graph on Avis here. But I don't know if it's a squeeze play, dude. I don't know any of the numbers that are out there on CAR right now. You did me yesterday, chat. Something. I didn't do anything. Just got timed out. Pudgy! Did you get timed out again, like right now? Man, because my BFP is lower or what? My BFP. What is BFP? If Shibarium's developer does not implement a burn with Shib, what do you think it will do between the Shiba army and the developers? Paul, I think that we would view them as liars. I think that we would view them as liars, man. We've basically been promised that every transaction on Shibarium will burn a certain percentage of Shiba Inu coin. Even if it's like 1/100th of a percent, it still would be a burn. Like, even if it's 1/100th of a percent, you know, it's still a good idea to burn Shiba Inu coin. It doesn't have to be 1% or 2% or anything crazy. Even if it's an extremely small percentage, I mean, I think that would be beneficial. But if they just didn't, I mean, I think we would view them as liars. Nice to come home from work and have some good news, and Shiba's in the green too. Stig beater, absolutely got to be a good feeling. Price does AMC need to get until it rockets? What's your guess? Kevin, excellent question, man. I don't know if there's necessarily any price, okay? I don't see that the hedge funds would be forced to cover at any price at all. I mean, if you're looking, we ran up to $72 per share, and they still didn't get margin called. So we would have to theoretically run beyond $72 per share in order for margin calls to be triggered based on price. As far as the technical breakout, yes, $72 and beyond leaves no technical resistance on the chart, so that's also a very important number. But as far as like what number do I think margin calls are guaranteed, or what number do I think a short squeeze is guaranteed at, I don't think there's a specific number. Do you have an update on Voyager? Lost 9% of my crypto. Alex, yeah, dude, I would say 90%. If it's not 90, I don't know exactly what percentage it is. The vast majority of my crypto is on Voyager right now and stuck as well. So I don't have any updates on Voyager, though. No, unfortunately, I do not. Some of the mods going rogue. Listen, mods, don't go rogue, guys. Don't do that. I'm giving you your wrench. I can take it away. I was tearing my hair out watching the QQQ and SPY up 2%, whilst AMC and GME were being manipulated down. Shorted AMC this morning after it started dumping, got hammered, swapped to leveraged buy, and went from 250 down to 50 up. I hate apples. You salvaged the day, man. You salvaged the day. Very nice, dude. Very nice. I'm glad that you were able to salvage the day and end on a win there. 50 up is 50 up, man. That is awesome. Hey! You say, what's up, YouTube? Good morning, Vietnam. Today, my blah, AMC, we got a George WWW. Is that something that Trey would say? Is that what we got going on there? Outdoor smile. Yes, man, outdoor smile. I don't know if I'll be at the beach tomorrow, but definitely Friday. Oh, tomorrow's going to be a travel day. Friday is going to be, oh, yeah. Laying down at the beach, listening to the waves with the... Some seagulls going on out there. Ooh, dude, I'll put that mask on. I'll go snorkeling. It's going to be nice. Outdoor Smile says, make sure to get packed and ready to go. I do have to get packed and ready to go. Outdoor Smile. Facts on that, man. But I will make sure I've got everything. So we're ready to go. Pika! It's not diamond popcorn. I love it. Easy on the teeth. Pika, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that one as well. And yeah, diamond popcorn hurts, man. Diamond popcorn hurts the mouth. Hopped in late. Only heard there's no squeeze date. Laugh my butt off. I don't know how we were running 72 again. If none of the summer movies made that price move. Yeah, Chris, that is true, right? But I don't think that we were running to 72 based on any fundamental information. And that's the big difference, okay? I don't think that fundamentals are going to drive the price of AMC higher. Adam Aaron wants us to be focused on the fundamentals. And he doesn't necessarily want us to be focused on a squeeze or a speculative play. It's all about building the fundamentals of AMC back up. The summer numbers were amazing, man, and they will die down, throughout the winter. But what's worth it to you, man? AMC having an extra couple $1 billion in the bank, or you and I splitting a couple $1 billion between all of the retail investors that are invested into AMC? I would argue that I don't care how much money AMC has in the bank. I want to split that couple $1 billion up between you and me. That's my focus. It's my focus. I don't care what AMC's got in the bank. I care how much you and I have in the bank. Shibarium doesn't burn Shib. I'm green at 1270. I go green. I'm out. I'm piling 1.3 billion Shib into Crow and Ethereum. Yeah, so Tim, Shibarium should burn. We've been told that Shibarium will burn Shiba Inu coin on every transaction. Darn T-Mobile, I always burn all my unlimited data up. AMC Trapper's rolling over into the slow zone. Hey, Trapper, though, dude, if you got T-Mobile, you got to go T-Mobile Tuesday. You do the T-Mobile Tuesday stuff, you got to get those deals on T-Mobile Tuesday, man. That's where it's at. You get $2 Dunkin' Donuts gift cards all the time, free Redbox all the time. I don't know if Redbox is going to exist anymore, but I've been using those free Redboxes that they sent over on T-Mobile Tuesday. Got to jump on the T-Mobile Tuesday, Trap. What can you say about Cult, Clay? Philip, I actually know nothing about Cult Coin. I do know that it's got a decent social media presence, but I know nothing about what they're doing. Anyway, we're still waiting for the broker to confirm they will give us Ape shares. eToro Conspiracy Theories mounting that they are fake shares and won't confirm that they will use pay us API. So I haven't seen anything about eToro, man, but I highly doubt, right? I highly doubt that anybody is just going to get cash as opposed to the shares of Ape. It's going to be interesting to see how it plays out, yes, but I'm not concerned. And I got Weeble, right? Everybody tells me that Weeble sucks, and I should get off of Weeble, but I'm not even concerned, and I have Weeble. I should burn 111 trillion if Milkshake's numbers are correct. I think those might have been Queenie's numbers, not Milkshake's numbers, but yeah. I highly doubt that it's that in the first couple years, man. It's going to take a lot of adoption to get to those massive burns there. Outdoor Smile. We get, oh man, Outdoor Smile. So you got to pump up the iron, man. Where's the beach? I think it's that way. Oh yeah, Outdoor Smile. The beach is that way, man. Thank you very much for the weights, for the workout, for the beach is that way. Appreciate that, Outdoor Smile. You're awesome, man. AMC closing up 5% today. AMC was rolling throughout the afternoon, man. AMC having a terrible morning, dropping down to $20.73 and closing at $23.67, up 5.41% today. AMC had an awesome afternoon. It's not going to help with my date. That is true. That's not going to help with your data. That is a fact. You got to connect to your work's Wi-Fi, dude. You got to connect to your work's Wi-Fi. Or take your buddy's phone and make him like a Wi-Fi hotspot, and then just use up all his data throughout the beginning of the month, and then shoot over to your unlimited data after you use up all his data. That might be a better idea. Hey, don't give a crap about AMC. I want our squeeze in my home theater. There you go, dude. There you go. I'm glad. I want to squeeze as well. Home theaters are nice, man. Home theaters might be better than AMC theaters. I can make some really good popcorn. I make some really good stovetop popcorn, which is probably better than AMC's perfectly popped popcorn, because mine's the bro popped popcorn, and it's better. It just is. Bully your brother by ignore me. Heck no, Pudgy. Nobody ignores anybody. Exactly. It's time for us to have some extra money in the bank. Becca P. I like the way you think. It absolutely is. We were told Wellies was internet breaking news. My attitude comes from overhype. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Yeah, I do remember. I'm glad nobody shoots the messenger, right? Because, when I was told that AMC or the Shiba Inu coin was going to have some internet breaking news, I told everybody that Shiba Inu coin was going to have some internet breaking news. And then we've got a fast food restaurant that uses some sort of a Shiba Inu coin logo. Some sort of a Shiba Inu logo. It's not necessarily a Shiba Inu coin logo. Yeah, interesting to say. But nonetheless, guys, we know that Wellies can turn into something throughout the future, man. It can turn into something really big if these guys are actually successful. Green Day for AMC. Huge. Yes, Philip. Preferred stock gives you more right than common stock, right? So let's see. Normally, here's the difference. Normally, it depends on what you want your rights to be. Because normally, a preferred stock does not carry any voting rights. Preferred shares do not typically carry voting rights. And I'll show you guys that I'm not just making that stuff up. Let's see. Preferred shares versus common stock. You guys can see right here that typically... Key takeaways. Main difference between preferred and common stock is the preferred share gives no voting rights to shareholders, while common stock does. Here's the difference, though, and here's why a lot of people buy preferred shares. And preferred shares typically, and this is, AMC is a different situation. Preferred shares typically don't see very much capital gains. They don't really have a volatile price. You can expect not to lose much on them, and you can expect not to gain much on them. But they do have very nice dividends. Preferred shares typically do have very nice dividends. And you can see here, preferred shareholders have a priority over the company's income. And this means that if there's going to be a dividend paid, preferred shareholders get paid first. And they typically get a nice 8, 10, 15% dividend as well. Because they're giving up a lot of those capital gains. And also, if a company goes bankrupt, the order of payment are all of the creditors. So if AMC owes money to, a landlord, if AMC owes money to a bank, the bank and the landlord will get paid first. And then if there's any money left over after they sell off all of their assets and they're ready to go, they've been liquidated, if any money's left over, the preferred shareholders get paid out. And then if there's any money left over after that, the common stock equity guys get paid out. So it ranks higher on the hierarchy of importance. But it's a very interesting situation with AMC because not only do the common stock and APE preferred shares get the same dividend rights, they have the same voting rights as well. So typically, yes, a preferred share is higher priority. In AMC's situation, what we're seeing with APE and AMC are basically identical rights. Let's see. Anyone else heard anything about this quantum margin call? I have not, Tim. I have not seen anything from there. Supercount fragilistic, XBL docious. Pudgy. Nice, man. Same and equal rights as of now. Correct. Do you think AMC will squeeze this year? Your personal opinion? Kevin, I thought it was going to squeeze last year, man. My personal opinion, I thought it was going to squeeze last year. I am very tied up with the dilution. I hate dilution. I don't like it at all. I don't think that a company should ever raise money after their IPO. I think that they should simply either survival of the fittest, man. If they can't make money in the market, if they can't generate a revenue, why are they a company? I mean, that's my thoughts on that. I know it's harsh. I know people work for companies, but you either get swallowed up by the competition or you compete. And dilution is kind of like, try to keep us in the game, coach. Try to keep us in the game, coach. Sometimes it works. It could all be market factors and things like that. But I prefer the route of make money or don't be in business. Clear bro, we got bro corn, and now we need a bro pizza. We got bro corn. We do need bro pizza, man. Bro pizza sounds delicious. I should make some, bro, pizza. Not ignoring you. Heck no, Clay, bro. If people shot the messenger, you full of holes, man. Dude, I'd be like a dang piece of Swiss cheese sitting over here, man, if people shot the messenger. My gosh. Oh, God, Frodo's not kidding on that one, man. They'd call me Swiss Clay Bro or something, man, because I would be full of holes for sure. Act 2 popcorn is the best. You already know legit popcorn. Oh, yeah, dude, you better have a legit popcorn maker, Chris. I do the stovetop. I add some butter, some corn oil, pop it in that. It's delicious, dude. And if you go on Amazon, you got to get the movie theater salt as well. It makes a big difference, dude. Go on Amazon. I think it's like $9 for one container and maybe like $14 for 2 containers or something. I make a lot of popcorn, so I always buy 2 containers, and they do last a very long time. But no, it's good salt, dude. You got to go. Let me see if I can pull a salt up here in case you guys want it. Yeah, this stuff right here, Flavor Cal. You guys gotta look into this stuff. If you really like popcorn, this stuff right here. So there you go, $9 for one of them on Amazon. I'm almost positive that if you guys want 2 of these, and this is huge, right? This is 35 ounces of salt, man. This is 35 ounces. This is a very large thing of salt. It's gonna last you a long time. But yeah, I would recommend it. It's the movie theater popcorn that they use in the movie theater, or the movie theater salt that they use in movie theaters. I would recommend getting this for your popcorn. If you guys are popcorn people, $9 on Amazon. If you want 2 of them, or if you and your friend want to both get one or whatever, you can save probably $2 a container if you buy 2 of them. But I do like that. That's what I use in my popcorn, and it is good. Flavored. So yeah, Stig. So I just like salt and butter, man. I don't like any other thing. I mean, kettle corn, I don't mind it, but if I'm making popcorn, it's just salt and butter, and the more salt and butter, the better. All toppings, extra butter topping on popcorn. Heck yeah, outdoor smile. You gotta have that. The popcorn's gotta be wet. You got so much butter on it, man. That's how much butter you gotta use. And your popcorn is just like soaking wet. You can wring your popcorn out before you put it in your mouth, and you're good to go. Clay's on the verge of thinking the squeeze is a wrap. Chris. I don't want to be on the verge of thinking the squeeze is a wrap. And I'm not gonna make that decision and get much more pessimistic than I already am until we start seeing the dilution rolling in. So whenever that comes, I will be much more pessimistic than I am right now. But I don't like dilution, dude. So once we see the dilution beginning, then I can really be even more pessimistic. Bro, me and my old friends once got a 55-gallon metal drum and made popcorn in that for an outdoor movie. Needless to say, way too much was made. Dude, a 55-gallon metal drum. Yes, dark matter. I would say that either you need a lot of friends to eat that much popcorn, or, dude, you can keep it. You can keep popcorn for a while. Just keep it covered, and you'll be good to eat it for a while. It doesn't go. You guys are crazy if you think it goes stale. I can eat popcorn a couple days later, no problem at all. What's going on, Neil Wolf? What's going on with you? It's crypto market done capitulating. I'm almost ready to work off this injury. Let's go. Haven't been able to enter since January. So 1,000 eyes. Look, we got good inflation data today. It does indicate that we may have peaked. Please, don't let 1 month be a pattern. We got to see a couple more months of decline. But nonetheless, right? Inflation is heading in the right direction at the moment. We need interest rates to head in the right direction. Now, we do need GDP to head in the right direction as well. GDP is still, it's negative. We don't need negative GDP. We don't want that. We want the economy to grow. Government's spending a lot of money right now, which is also a little warning flag. So we got to worry about that out there. But nonetheless, dude, if we get an economy that starts turning around here, and the cryptocurrency market looks solid, we could be good. 2 things on the horizon that I don't necessarily like that I think they're going to milk for a while. Failing centralized cryptocurrency exchanges, going bankrupt and stealing people's money, and this regulation that is potentially out there with the U.S. Treasury and the SEC wanting to regulate and criminalize certain types of cryptocurrency. Certain types of cryptocurrency, yes, but also certain types of cryptocurrency platforms. So I think that we're going to start hearing a lot about those, even if the economy starts to do better. Popcorn and Shib, bro, is the extreme combo. Is extremely extreme. Matthew. That's exactly right, man. Go extreme or go home, dude. I am home. I am home right now, and I will be going extreme. This past July 4th, I threw away roughly 55-gallon trash bags of popped and bagged popcorn. I wasn't allowed to donate it to homeless shelter. Kalani. Okay, I get it. You're not allowed to donate to the homeless shelter. But I would gladly accept 55-gallon trash bags full of popcorn in my P.O. box. Gladly. I would swim in that. Worst case scenario, I can feed all the birds and chipmunks outside, dude. Gosh. This dude throwing that crap away. I could have fed so many birds, chipmunks, for days, man, for days. Well, honestly, probably for months with that much popcorn. But I probably would have tried to eat it, too. It is old. Popcorn is always true. Yeah, AMC Trapper. This is kind of true. But if you put it in a bowl, I got those like the Tupperware bowls that have lids. They do last. It does last for a couple days if you leave it in a bowl with a covered lid, like an airtight lid on it. So that's something. If you make too much popcorn, like, don't throw it away, man. Put it in a bowl and put your lid on it. Then you can open it back up and snack on it the next day, too. We can eat the profits. Stick beater. Eating profits is also good. Thank you, Clay. Appreciate Styles and Eyes. Appreciate you, man. I will melt a bowl of butter later. Outdoor smile. Sounds perfect, man. Sounds perfect. Butter, some corn oil, and some of that movie theater Flavor Cow Gold Medal salt that I just showed you. Dude, your popcorn is going to be delicious. I'm telling you that right now. It's going to be amazing. I'll be realistically pessimistic for all of us. Chris. All right, dude. If you got it covered, man, I don't need to worry about being pessimistic then. If Chris has it covered, we're good to go. Chipmunks it, though, Clay said. No, man, I said chipmunks. I said chipmunks, stick beater. Chipmunks. 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 If you're for real, bro, I got you next year. Just come pick it up, and I'm not that far from you. Also, a Kraft grated Parmesan cheese is the best on popcorn. Ooh, I actually never tried that. So I do like, the cheddar cheese popcorn and stuff like that. If you get it in those Christmas tins where you got the caramel corn and the cheese corn and the butter corn and stuff. But if I'm gonna be sitting at home and watching a movie or something, by the way, if you guys did not watch Gray Man. Watch Gray Man. I actually, listen, I like a lot of movies that I've seen. It's very difficult for me to say I don't like a movie, but I really did like Gray Man. I thought it was a very good Netflix movie to watch. So if you guys haven't seen that, I would say go check that out. Especially this weekend. If you're not doing anything and you want to watch a Netflix movie, I did think The Gray Man was good. Anybody... I mean, don't spoil anything, but if anybody has a yes or no, like, did you think Gray Man was good? Get it out in the chat. We got 112 people in here. Give somebody something to watch on Netflix. If you've already seen it, they might want to watch it too. Were Disney's earnings good? I actually don't know. We can look at Disney's earnings right now. Clay, should be turned into mobile games. Should bury them in eternity. Should get the burns going finally. So I don't know if the Shib game is going to burn. I thought they said that was going to be the only thing that was not burning, but dude. I love the fact that Shiba Eternity could absolutely just bring in millions of people. There's a lot of people who play these games that are not into cryptocurrency. And if Shiba Inu coin can do a good job at marketing this game to millions of users, I think, and not just the Shiba army, I don't want to see that. I don't care if one person that's part of the Shiba army plays this Shiba Eternity game. I don't care if one person does. I want to see millions of people who have no idea what Shiba Inu coin is to play this game. And think about it. I've referenced Angry Birds and Candy Crush, and I know those are like two major games, but Shiba Inu coin's a major cryptocurrency. Candy Crush has 2.7 billion downloads. Angry Birds has 200 million active monthly players. If you think about that, the amount of Shiba Inu coin holders right now is a fraction of what it could be. We could 10x the amount of holders overnight if they fall in love with that game. Can't deliver P.O. Box, DM me your home address, and I'll drop it off. There you go, Frank. Even better. Did you ever see the movie Real Genius? People were swimming in popcorn at the end of the movie. I don't think so. Frodo, I don't think that I've seen that. Robinhood taking away the buy button. Let's see, Robinhood taking away the buy button. Well, SK, I don't know if they're taking away the buy button. They're not giving you a buy button, and I do think that that's acceptable because Ape is a preferred share, and they do not allow trading of preferred shares on their platform. It's the same as a platform not allowing over-the-counter trading, same as a platform not doing aftermarket and pre-market hours trading. So that's not necessarily like that bad in my opinion because they don't allow preferred shares trading. Same as if they don't want to allow cryptocurrency trading on their platform. They don't have to allow cryptocurrency trading on their platform. So I don't think that that's necessarily a bad idea. You can change, you can buy Ape on Webull if you want. If you don't have a Webull account, you got a link in the description below, all that good stuff. But yeah, Gray Man was definitely a good movie. Prey, I have not seen Prey, but I've been seeing a crap ton of trailers on YouTube for Prey, and I have heard some good things about it, but I have not seen that yet. Ajma, e aí, Ajma? Como você está, Ajma? Espero que você está bem. I am great, and I hope you are great as well. DXY getting closer to that purple rain line. Oh my gosh, we got to see what the DXY is doing. I have not looked at the dollar in a long time. DXY sitting at 105. My goodness, man. And the DXY actually coming down pretty heavy to God, the DXY ran all the way up to $1.09. That is crazy. Coming back down to $1.05 right now. Yes, it is sitting at some support. Boom, tapped it here. Boom, tapped it here. Boom, tapped it here. Boom, sitting on it here. I still want to see it back down below $1. If I'm being honest with you guys, I want to see it back down below 100. Sorry, 100 points. Not $1, but 100 points. That is nuts, though. All right, where are we at? I went to high school with Gosling. Remy, that is, if you did, man, that's awesome. Let's see. Does he remember you? Would he be like, oh yeah, I know that Remy dude. That Remy dude is sick. Christmas tins. As a kid, eat the entire white cheddar section and boot white the next day. Like the white dog boot and Step Brothers. Oh my God, Chris. I don't know if we need to know that, but it's true. Everybody knows what those Christmas tins are. Everybody knows that those Christmas tins exist. And Peak is like, oh, interesting. Do you have any connections? I would like to personally know Ryan Gosling. I think that would be awesome. He was in Mickey Mouse Club with Spears and JT and Aguilera and got made fun of by everyone because it wasn't cool to be a dancer-singer in my small town. And now he hates Cornwall. Kids are dumb. Kids are dumb, man. Kids make fun of anybody for anything, though. I don't know. It's tough to tell kids to ignore the bullies, but kids can be really dumb. Saw Bullet Train last week. It was pretty good, as long as you don't mind a bit of violence. Bullet Train. You know, I do think I've seen some previews for that, but I also have not seen that, and I don't mind a bit of violence. Sometimes I like a little bit of violence. Panic sold my AMC Leaps on earnings day after bag holding them for 6 weeks. Should I buy back in above my previous cost average? SK, man. That is the question everybody always has. Look, I don't know. We have AMC right now is in an extremely volatile state. If we get the dividend and literally everybody gets their shares, there's no problems, and it doesn't seem like it's exposing any synthetic shares and so on, I think a lot of people are going to be very upset. I think a lot of people may sell off. If it does expose something, a lot of people are going to be very excited, and we may run up, but depending on what it exposes, I mean, we could get suspended. I mean, if there's something fraudulent going on, we could get suspended by the New York Stock Exchange and not be able to trade. Gosh, what was I going to say? If nothing happens for a while and people are just going right along and all of a sudden dilution becomes a factor, it's also something we have to think about that, in my opinion, is negative, but in Adam Aaron's opinion, is positive. Hope all my Robinhooders have alternative brokers and not just relying on Hood. Play it safe. Hey, man, diversify your brokers just like you're diversifying your positions. I'm awesome. Getting my nails done and watching your live. Boom! Ajma. Perfect. We got the little mani-pedi going on today, guys. Manicure, pedicure. I would imagine, though, getting her nails done, I would imagine it's a pedicure if she's able to text while she's listening to the live stream. So shout out to your nail girl right now. If you tell her to subscribe to the channel, I would really appreciate that. But it's okay if she doesn't. I'll give her a shout out. I'll give her a shout out if she does. Ajma, you can take your headphones out if you would like, and I will definitely be glad to give the nail girl a shout out there. And whatever shop, you don't have to tell me what shop you're at because I don't want anybody trying to stalk you or anything. But yes, I would be glad to do that. MC Trapper, either they don't know, don't show, or don't care about what's really going on in the hood. Name that movie. I have no idea what that movie is. He's got a YouTube video touring our city and school and mall and stuff. Dang it, man. I should make a YouTube video touring your city and school and mall and stuff and be like, yeah, I remember when I went here. You guys would call me out quick, wouldn't you? How will the shorts cover if AMC gets suspended? SK, they wouldn't. But they could get delisted as well after the suspension. And that's the crazy part, man. They might go over the counter if that happens. If it gets suspended and the New York Stock Exchange doesn't want them to be listed because of all the fraudulent activity that was going on there. It would be a disaster. Every room in my house has popcorn Christmas tin as a garbage can with a Kroger bag as a liner. Yes, Tim, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, man. Like, you think I don't have a grocery bag in my bathroom trash can? I absolutely have a grocery bag in my bathroom trash can. It is a bought trash can as opposed to it's a popcorn tin. But popcorn tin arguably would be even better than my bathroom trash can. Getting my nails done too. Red line shine. You lying, man. You lying. Come on now. Boys in the Hood, man. I haven't seen that film in a long time. How does everybody know this movie? I don't even know if I've ever seen that movie. Let's see. His name is Hi. He is amazing. Well, Hi. I think that's how you say it. Hopefully it's Hi. If I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, sorry. Hi, man. Shout out to you. Hopefully you're having a great day today. Ajma is an amazing woman, and appreciate you for taking care of her, man. Do them nails right. Do them nails right. Shout out to you, dude. I hope you're having a great day today. Would you give us your money back? Would they give us our money back? So, SK, I don't think that you just get your money back. It moves over to the same as any stock getting delisted, right? You still have and can trade that share because you own the equity in that company. So you still have your share. It's just you would have to trade it on if it gets delisted, you have to trade it on an over-the-counter exchange as opposed to the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ in the major exchanges that are out there. So you would still own your share, yes, but it would be over-the-counter, pink sheet, gray something. On gray market, I don't even know what it is. But nonetheless, it would be an over-the-counter exchange. It would probably trade for a lot less, but you would still be able to trade that stock. It just wouldn't be on the New York Stock Exchange. Tim must be in the south with the Krogers. He might be. Tim's got some Kroger bags over there. Speaking of, I need to take the trash out. All right, BRB. Hey, Neil Wolf, man. Take it out and come back. Thank you. Can use those bags anymore. They're abandoned here in Jersey. What? Football, you can't use grocery bags anymore? Oh, man. Ajma. Yeah, I really do hope you're having a good day today, Ajma. I know you guys like get your nails done, so that's awesome. Hey, Clay, you were like 3 or 4 when Boys in the Hood came out. One and only Bronson. When did it come out, man? 1986? 1986, dude? Was it 1986? I would have been... No, when it came out, 3, so 1992. Come out in 1992? I wouldn't have been watching it in 92. No idea if my parents watched it in 92, but if they did, I have no idea. I wasn't there. What's Kroger's? Grocery store. Outdoor Smile. You know what Kroger's is. Come on now. Outdoor Smile only shops at Target. Imagine if we had a burn channel and a burn portal for bone token. It's a low supply. It would make tons of millionaires. The price is perfect to a burn tons for little. Yeah, Q Andres, man. Here's the weird thing about bone, though. Burning bone could be cool, but bone does not have a renounced contract. And you remember when the T-bone holders, those that are staking bone, voted on whether or not they were going to allow an additional 20 million bone to be minted. They did vote against it, so they capped the supply at 250 million. But that goes to show you that without renouncing the contract at any time they want, if it's voted on, they can issue millions or billions more bone. So that's the risk that you always run if you've got a contract that has not been renounced and a token that is under control. even if it's decentralized control, they can still vote to mint new coins at any given time they like. We'd hope that they would vote against it, but that's the problem with burning. I almost said boning. That's the problem with burning something like bone. See, this is the kind of crap you guys run me into, man. Burning and boning side by side, or burning and bone side by side. It could lead to some crazy words there. So yes, don't go out boning bone. But I was going to say that, and no, I guess I did say it. But nonetheless, dude, that's the problem you run into if bone gets burnt. If they do decide to issue more, they can mint more at any given time. Yeah. Roulette wheel has been silent in the chat the entire time, and all of a sudden I say something like boning, and this dude shows up. And now I've got his attention. All right, roulette wheel, we see what you're doing out there, man. Or be boning out. God. Oh yeah. Anybody who's into bone, I know there's some. I know. Oh God, I almost said there's some bone. Like. Did you guys see what I almost said there? People who would be into bone, you are right? Like, this is, okay, we definitely have to change the topic right now because I can see this is getting me in trouble. Ajma, listen, Ajma's having a beautiful day. High's over there. High might be listening right now, has no idea what's going on in this live stream. And I'm sitting here talking about burning bone. And you burners on the bone, this is heading in the wrong direction right now. So Ajma, I'm very sorry. I know Pika Power is listening as well. I'm very sorry, Pika. It just spiraled out of control very quickly. Hi, if you're listening right now, my apologies, sir. I did not mean to do that to you on your first live stream ever. Shout out to you again if you're listening right now. But nonetheless, guys, yeah, be a burner, okay? Be a burner. Don't be the other thing. Don't be the other thing. Oh, gosh. But yes. You guys know where that's going. Melamama's showing up, too. You start saying words like that, and all these guys who haven't said anything in the last, 15 days, all of a sudden start showing up and typing again. You guys are crazy, man. Going south real quick. M. Steiny, man. Going south real quick. Yep, Chris, that is it, man. That is it. You got the bone holders out there, and you got the bone burners out there. You got to be careful what you say. And you guys, you're not the one with the microphone right now, so you don't have to be that careful. But I'm telling you, I got to be careful what I say. I was in Thailand a long time ago. I left with a burning bone. That's what I'm saying, Tim. That's what I'm saying. Thailand was getting on it first before everybody else. Burning bone over there. Her nailer is laughing about, a roulette wheel. I don't know if the dude's laughing or if she just got kicked out and she's never allowed to come get her nails done there again. Either way, Ajma, very sorry. I hope I did not get you kicked out of the nail salon. Hey, are you happy that the crypto winter is over? Remy, if the crypto winter is over, yes, I am happy, okay? I am happy. Might not have gotten in at 17,000 on Bitcoin. Maybe not 1,000 on Ethereum, and if the crypto winter is over, awesome. However, I still don't know if it's over though, dude. I still don't know if it's over. Coinbase has some horrible earnings. We've got U.S. Treasury and the SEC really cracking down right now, so I'm not 100% convinced that we're done. It's great. It's a great workout for leg day. Corey, that it is, man. AMC Trapper. I am looking at you, and I'm thinking about you right now. AMC Trapper, man. It's a little licking stick. You tilt the head back. You keep that eye contact. You do a little lick. A little stick. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. Really appreciate you guys. Awesome, man. So what can we do with our ape on Robinhood? Can we not exit out positions? Frank, yes, you can close out your positions, and you can also transfer it off of the platform. So if you want to move your ape to Webull, Fidelity, whatever, you're allowed to transfer off platform. If you want to sell, you are allowed to sell your ape. You just can't go out there and buy any more ape on Robinhood. Let's see. Yeah, Pika's closing her eyes on that one. You better close your eyes again. AFC Trapper, come up with another one. Dark Matter and Outdoor Smile. Dark Matter, man. I'm looking at you, but I'm thinking of Trapper. You guys know about it. Tilt the head back a little bit. It's called the lick and stick. Keep that eye contact. You lick, you stick. AMC Trapper, thank you very much. This one's called the Dip and Shove, guys. I know you might have a cookout to go to this weekend, so you take your hot dog and you dip it. You dip your hot dog in your favorite dip, whatever that dip is, you dip it down, and then you shove it. Just a one fell... Thank you very much. Outdoor Smile for the super sticker. Man, you guys are on a roll right now. I love it. Just in time. Bender. Heck yeah, man. Bender says I got here just in time for the lick and stick and the dip and shove. Oh, yes. Darn you, hot dog and bananas. Riptide Redemption's like, yeah. Darn you, hot dog and bananas. Darn you. I can't. Don't blink. Don't blink. Don't blink. Darn you, hot dog. Yeah, Riptide, we know what you're doing over there, man. Come on. On that note, have an awesome day. Have a great tip. What? Have a great tip, Trip. Pika. Trip. Have a great trip. Have a great trip. Pika. Pika, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Pika's leaving us 13 minutes early, but it is all right. Pika, thank you very much. And yes, I knew what you meant. Pika, you gotta let me know. I don't care if it's in the Discord. I don't care if it's on Twitter. You gotta let me know if you get your shirt tomorrow or Friday. I want to know when it arrives. You, Bronson, and JB. I imagine you guys all might get it the same day, but I want to know if it's going to, I would imagine it's going to be tomorrow. It really doesn't have that far to go, but it could be Friday. So tomorrow or Friday, I want to know. You guys better send me a message when you do get it. Always getting plenty of potassium with all the banana. Yes, I am always getting so much potassium because I just stick those bananas, man. It's crazy what's going on in here. 1,000 eyes. Like, I got 1,000 eyes, and you just burnt out 3 of them, man. Down to 997. That's wrong, man. Adib says that's wrong, man. Dude, that's how you properly eat a banana and a hot dog, Adib. Nobody taught you that? Loving your lights in the background, Clay. Neil Wolf, thank you very much. Appreciate that. You know, I'm thinking I might leave those down here. I might leave these down. I was going to pick them up a little bit, but I might leave them down here. And then I might put put a shelf up where I can start hanging stuff back here and get some lights going up. Either those like triangle or hexagon lights, you know what I'm talking about? I know Andre Jick's got some in his background, but either the triangle or they got bars as well. They got bars as well that are actually really cool. So I think I might do something like that. If I can lowball the crap out of some people on eBay, might try to pick some of those up. I think Clay can get more subs if you deleted the banana and hot dog super chats roulette wheel. There's quantity is good, but quality is great. You gotta go quality over quantity sometime. And you guys are top-notch quality. It was the worst timing typo ever, but I'll own it. Bye, everyone. It was the best timing typo ever, Pika. Absolutely. No, listen, it was good. It made me smile, and that's the best thing ever. Pika, enjoy your day. If I don't go live for a few minutes tomorrow, thank you very much. I will definitely have a good trip. Gonna enjoy the vacation, and you guys will still get videos. I'll be in the Discord, all of that good stuff, so you don't have to worry about that. Crib looks great. Thank you, JB. The crib is so simple. It's nice with how simple the crib is. I love it. The prison bars, not prison bars, man. It's not prison bars. It's not prison bars, but my uncle's listening right now. My uncle did say, you gotta get out of that box, man. You got to get out of that box. You got to do something cool. That box is getting boring. You got to do something cool. You sitting in that little box right there. Am I just sitting in a little box right now? I mean, I feel safe in this little box. You know, I feel safe in here. It's about safety and comfort, isn't it? Do you think the hedgies are hoping AMC gets suspended or delisted due to uncontrollable corruption and they won't have to cover? SK, no, not necessarily. I think the hedgies are looking forward to potential dilution. If I was a hedge fund, I'd hold out as long as I could in hopes that Adam Aaron dropped another 500 million, 500 million, 500 million, 500 million, and diluted Ape with billions of shares. And at that point, it would be so easy to go out there and buy the 100 million shares that you need and cover all of your short positions. So I think it's a waiting game. And if we see a lot of dilution come from, that's what I would be waiting for if I were a hedge fund. Trying not to have the squeeze happen. We need ad, not an... Oh my gosh. What? Well, since AMC Trapper called it, and YouTube does say now would be a good time to insert ads, guess what? You guys did get an ad. But we are very close to 100. If you guys could get me over 100 likes, that would be amazing. Guys, click that like button. We had 73 likes. We've got 101 people in here. I would really appreciate it if you click the like button. You guys are awesome. Safe place, exactly. I will tell them. Perfect, Ajma. I have my AirPods on. Okay, good. I figured you did have your AirPods on, but definitely tell Hi I said what's up. Subscribe to the channel if you can. That would be great. If he doesn't want to, absolutely no worries. But you are. It seems like you're in good hands. Hi knows what he's doing. There's certain questions that I feel the need to ask already. It tells you the answer is no. Like if you ask if someone missed you. Neil Wolf, I may have missed part of the chat there, but you are, I understand what you're saying. If you have to ask if somebody missed you, you feel like they didn't show you the affection that you should have gotten, right? Therefore, if you ask if they missed you, they probably didn't miss you. And even if they do say they missed you, you feel like they didn't miss you because they didn't make it known. Although that is possibly true, some people are much less prone to communicating their feelings, and although they may have missed you and not told you that they missed you, or not communicated that very well that they did miss you, they may have in fact missed you. So I would say it's on a person-to-person basis, man. If they're very willing to tell you their thoughts and their feelings and their emotions, then yeah, if they didn't tell you they missed you, then they probably didn't miss you. But there's a lot of people, dude, that will not tell you that they missed you when they actually did. So I wouldn't say that's 100% guaranteed in all outcomes. Hit me with the JB's like, hit me again, I dare you. Hit me again, I can take it. I can take it. Hit me with another one. I might hit you with another one, dude. I just might hit you with another one. I wish I could target ads and just tell you guys that don't click the like button to get an ad. At least my ad was EVE Online. Love that game. Nice for Tide Redemption. With the short shares, a double 2 on dilution. Frank, so no, the short shares do not double on dilution. Because it would simply be an additional share as an IPO. It's not necessarily, it's a secondary offering. It's not a split of the shares. So when you normally have a split, what you end up with is, the price gets cut in half, but they owe you twice as much, or twice as many shares. Sorry, the overall value stays the same because the price was cut in half. But what we're seeing with this dividend is, yes, the shorts will be required to deliver a share of APE, okay? So essentially, what we're going to see here is we may see the actual short interest cut in half. And I did not think about this until you just said that question. This is interesting. We got 6 minutes left in the chat. Let's look at this here for a second. Some people are Cowboys and don't communicate their feelings at all. Yeah, Frodo, definitely. And there's nothing wrong with asking, but you're right, man. I mean, some people just don't. They can try their best to communicate those, but they may not just come out and say, "I really missed you." JB, you have a great time. You have a great time while we're gone, man. JB, we're gonna hang out in the Discord though, so it's gonna be all right. Guys, think about this for a second. I just thought about this on Frank's question. So because APE is a dividend, the shorts are going to be required to buy a share of APE and deliver it to any of the short positions that they've got out there. Once they do that, theoretically, right, if this was a cash dividend, they would be required to pay you that cash. And then it's done and ready to go. But the good news for them is, they owe less. They owe half the amount on every share of AMC because it got cut in half. And then they just take the value that they made on AMC getting cut in half and paid you that cash dividend out. Because they're paying you out that share of APE, and because it's a dividend, a shared dividend, we're going to have 1 billion shares outstanding, but they're still only going to owe the 100 million AMC outstanding because they're going to be forced to pay that dividend since they're short, and then they're only going to owe the 100 million shares of AMC. . Now I'm wondering. Now I'm kind of like, now I'm thinking I might be Matt Kors or something here. Like if I'm missing something. Shorts are required to pay the dividend to everybody that they have sold short that stock. Okay? So they're going to be required to deliver a share of APE to everybody that they've shorted AMC to. We get it. But now all of a sudden, because they've essentially delivered half of their shorts right off the bat, I believe the short interest is going to be cut in half. They're going to owe 100 million shares of AMC. AMC's share price is cut in half. So they're going to owe half the amount of money that they did before. They're going to be forced to cover half of their position. But that's only going to leave them with 100 million short shares on AMC, but a total 1 billion shares between APE and AMC. Literally, this is the first time that I thought of that. If that's the case, man, I don't like this short squeeze play if there's only 10%. 20% I get it. 20% is acceptable for a short squeeze. The 100 million out of the 500 million shares outstanding. But if it's 100 million out of a total billion shares outstanding, I don't like if it's a 10% short interest at that point. And I don't know, like I'm saying, I'm working through this right now. I don't know if I'm missing something or if it just, sparked my thought here. But if they're forced to cover half their positions because they deliver that dividend and they're only left holding, so unless they go out and short more, are they only holding a 10% short interest? April Moon, then exit transfer to AMC, then squeeze. This is a double dip scenario. In order to pay the dividend, they will have to buy an APE share to return it to the person they borrowed from. The first few days, it will be no APE shares for sale. Buying pressure on APE. Yeah, Frodo, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. So if nobody is selling APE, we should see a decent demand for APE since they're going to be forced to do that. However, okay, they can borrow those APE. If share lending is turned on if people have their share lending turned on right now, they might be able to borrow enough APE to pay the 100 million shares that they've got shorted. Right or wrong? I understand if nobody's selling their APE, they might not be able to buy it to give it back, so demand might increase so much that it increases the price. But what if these people who have share lending turned on for AMC, it's automatically turned on for APE at that point, can they just borrow it and give it to those other guys and then get out of that situation? Haggard fan, man! Thank you very much for the super chat. Haggard says, "Hey bro, in case you have to Uber back from your trip, safe travels, man." Dude, I hope I don't have to Uber all the way back to Ohio. But thank you very much, Haggard fan, man. That is awesome. Really appreciate that. Look, the trip just got that much better, dude. I got dinner, man. I got dinner for the whole time I'm gone. Shoot, and go to Subway, get a couple sub sandwiches every night. We're gonna be good to go. Haggard fan, thank you very much. Absolutely appreciate that super sticker. This dude's awesome, man. Thank you. Ajma, wish for a happy end. I still own my 12,000 share, average 37.80. Ajma, I absolutely hope for a happy. She's in a nail salon, right? Happy ending. I also hope for a nice ending for you as well, Ajma. I do hope that we blow well beyond $37.80. And it can, right? It absolutely can. I'm just trying to think of this scenario. It literally just popped in my head right now. And I'm just wondering, like bouncing it off you guys. That's why we're here. Haggard is a legend. Yes, Tim, man. Haggard's a legend. This dude right here, Haggard fan, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Really appreciate that. You're incredible, dude. I'm not going to sell my ape, assuming I get mine. And no, my shares are on a Cashapp, so no lending allowed. Very good. Artificial squeeze on ape potentially. They'll have a short position immediately. Yes, they will. Cashapp, not Cashapp. Okay, I didn't know if Cashapp was something else, but... yeah, this is an interesting thing that you guys are making come in my mind right now. They don't have to return the borrowed shares on AMC that they have shorted, but they have to pay the ape dividend. If they short ape, it could cause a squeeze on ape too. Yeah, so that's what I'm wondering. The shares that they're going to have to deliver at least 100 million shares of ape. If people don't sell 100 million shares of ape within the first couple of days, I think they're going to be in a tough spot. However, I do think that there's 100 million shares worth that will be willing to lend out, and they may be able to just borrow those and deliver them and kind of be in that situation. I believe they would be in the exact same situation they're in right now. They would essentially have shorted those because they still need to get them back and return them to the people they borrowed them from. Yeah, DD214. So I think that's what's going to end up, as we're working through it here, I do think that could end up happening. If they're able to borrow all of those shares, they'll be in the exact same position they're in right now. If they're forced to go out and buy and deliver those shares, it's going to be bad short squeeze numbers. But that's interesting. We talk about that more tomorrow. Absolutely, guys. Carol Baskin. Oh, my gosh, dude. Carol Baskin. Carol Baskin. Carol Baskin. Who are you? Who are you? Oh, why'd you kill your husband? Why'd you kill your husband? That's not cool. That's not cool. I know you guys love that song. That's an absolute classic. It is viral. I made that song myself, and it is good. Let's do these shout-outs, guys, and we will be hopefully back tomorrow, at least for a short amount of time, if it's not the regular session. Ajma, thank you very much for being in here. Appreciate you. Hope your nails are looking amazing right now. But nonetheless, man, all of you guys, absolutely awesome. Haggard, thank you very much for the super chat there. Really appreciate that. We'll do these shout outs. Got videos coming out tonight, 7 p.m. Videos coming tonight, 8 p.m. And watch them, click the like button, all that good stuff. AMC Trapper says, peace out to the Dominant Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Didn't see Crypto Records here, but if you're in here, man, boom, baby, dabbing on them as always. We got Stick Beater, Riptide Redemption, Neo Wolf, Corey, Lucky Stouts, Mellow Mamas, Tim, Riptide Redemption, Haggard Fan. Haggard Fan, what did he say again there? Let's get the word out on Clearbush channel. He's 100,000. Let's do it, Haggard Fan. Let's go 100. Dude, you know how amazing that would be to come back from vacation with 100K? Let's do it this week. You guys, share the channel with somebody. Tell them to share it with somebody. We'll be at 100,000 before we even get back. Jesus, man. Jesus, see you later. DD214, Frodo. Enjoy your evening, man. Dark Matter, Stony Vision, Keith Kemp. Crypto Racketeer is here. Boom, baby. Shiba Inu to Pluto. New foe. Crifelder, Neil Wolf, Mellow Mamas, Frank, King Cobra. We've got Frank, King Cobra. Frodo, enjoy your night, man. Neil Wolf, one and only Bronson, King Cobra, DD214, Corey, Riptide Redemption, Stig Beater, Ajma. Enjoy your evening. You as well, Ajma. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.